everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for a foundation that offers both coverage and a natural finish, stick around because today we're going to be diving into a product that promises to give you exactly that. It's the theBalm Even Steven Whipped Foundation, and we'll see if it lives up to its claims. This foundation comes in a cream form, which is perfect if you're looking for something that provides buildable coverage. It's designed for all skin types, which immediately makes it versatile. The shade I'm reviewing is After Dark, which is on the deeper side, so it's ideal for medium to deeper skin tones, but the range offers options to suit various undertones. This foundation is non-comedogenic, which means it's formulated not to clog your pores. Great news if you're prone to breakouts. Now let's talk about how this product performs in real life. I've been using it for the past few days, and I wanted to see how it actually holds up throughout the day. The whip texture is really intriguing. It's light, but still offers a solid amount of coverage. I used a brush to apply it, and it blended effortlessly into my skin, offering a smooth, natural matte finish that isn't too dry. It's the kind of matte that doesn't look flat or cakey, and I appreciate that it doesn't settle into fine lines, which can be an issue with some matte foundations. One of the things I really liked about this foundation is that it's breathable. I wore it during my daily routine, and by midday, I still looked fresh. It didn't oxidize at all, which is often a problem with other foundations, especially when they're designed for a matte finish. If you have oily skin, I think this could be a great match for you, but even if you don't, it doesn't leave your face looking overly dry. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the product does have a matte finish, it's not quite as long-lasting as some other foundations I've tried. By the end of the day, I noticed a little wear around the nose and chin area. If you have a full day ahead and need something that's going to last for hours without touch-ups, you might need a setting spray or powder to help it last longer. The texture, although nice and smooth, does need to be worked in quickly, especially if you're applying multiple layers for added coverage. As for value, the price seems fairly in line with other mid-range foundations, but it's important to consider the longevity of the wear when making your decision. If you're someone who needs a foundation that lasts through long work days or special events, you may want to weigh that factor. But if you're looking for a foundation that gives you a nice, everyday matte finish without clogging your pores, it's certainly worth trying out. In terms of packaging, theBalm has kept it simple, with a tub that's easy to open and use, but it may not be the most hygienic option for those who prefer a pump. Just something to keep in mind if you're a stickler for convenience. As far as alternatives go, I've found that products like the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation or even the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless offer a similar finish for a comparable price range, though they do have slightly different textures. So, does the theBalm Even Steven Whipped Foundation live up to its promise? I'd say yes, but with a few caveats. If you're someone who wants that matte finish without compromising on comfort, this could be a great option. However, if you need something that will last through the day with minimal touch-ups, there might be better options out there. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.